Hey guys, welcome to our channel. For this video, we are going to talk about a Twilio tutorial for beginners. So first thing that we should do here is to simply open any of our web browser. Then using the search bar is we just have to type out Twilio and you would be able to see this first website. So we just have to click on this one and you'd be directed to this page. And before we start creating our account, let us go first to the pricing. Okay, and then just click on see all pricing. Then right here we can contact the sales about the pricing. But for now, we are going to start for free. So here, alerts and notifications, we have SMS and more. So to start, we just have to click on the start for free option. Okay, you can click on this one at the top or this one at the center. So right here, we just have to sign up. We just have to type out right here our first name, last name, email address, or password, or you can also sign up with Google. So for this one, I am going to sign up with my Google account. Okay, just click on this one and then choose your Google account. After that, the code will be sent to your phone number. So you just have to type it out right here and then just click on continue. So once you're here, you just have to start with this one. So what do you want to build or what do you plan to build with Twilio? So we have here promotions, customer loyalty, and more. So for this one, I think I am going to click on alerts and notifications. Next is which Twilio product are you here to use? So we have here different products, but for this one, I think I am going to choose SMS. Okay, next is which describes you or your organization. So business, non-profit, government, entity. So just choose which describe your organization. Next is which best describe how you will use Twilio. So we have direct brand and independent software vendor. So for this one, I think I am going to choose independent software vendor. And then the next one is how do you want to build with Twilio? So we have with code, with minimal code, or with no code at all. So I'm going to choose with no code at all. And then next is what is your goal today? So you just have to choose, explore what my team can build and more. So I'm just going to choose explore what my team can build. And then next, just get started with Twilio. So you just have to wait for a few seconds. Okay, and then this page will load and you'd be directed to your account dashboard. Okay, so what we're going to discuss first right here at the top would be able to see here our plans. So to get started sending or receiving SMS messages with Twilio, you will need a virtual phone number. So this trial phone number will allow you to build a prototype while routing voice calls or text messaging to any phone or application workflow. So to get your phone number, just click on this get phone number right here and you'd be able to see here now your virtual phone number. So when you scroll down, you'll be able to see that right here, my Twilio phone number. So you just have to copy this one or we can proceed to the next step. Okay, you just have to go back here if we need our phone number. So just click on next. And for step 2 is to try out the SMS. So we offer several ways for you to use our services. Choose how you want to start. So you can connect to Twilio with an app, use a pre-built app, or customize with Studio. Okay, so for this one, I think I am going to try this use a pre-built app. So you just have to simply click on start and you'd be directed to another tab. So once you're here, send SMS notifications from a browser. So when I scroll down, you'll be able to see here different information. Okay, so let's go back at the top first. So regulations requires that you first register your number to use these resources to send SMS traffic to US and Canadian mobile destinations. So if you're sending to Canada or US and have not already done so, so please see our documentation to register your Twilio phone number. So how it works, users will be able to broadcast a message to a list of phone numbers using their browser. The app will be protected by passcode. to prevent others from being able to send messages. Okay, so when I scroll down right here for step one, we have to log in to Twilio. So we have to type right here our account name. For step two is to set up your application. So here, just have to type out your Twilio phone number and then your passcode. And then the last one is to deploy your application and try it. Okay, so that's it for the step two. Now for step three is to check out documents. So to check the documentations is we just have to learn all of these things right here. And for the next one, for the last one is to invite and upgrade. So you can invite team members, invite developers to your Twilio account to start building. So you can invite teammates right here. And then I'm gonna scroll down. As you can see, we have here our account information, our account SID, our auth token, and then our Twilio phone number. Now let us proceed to the phone number section. So when you click on this one right here at the left side, we have here manage port and host, regulatory compliance, and alphanumeric sender IDs. So when you click on manage, we have here our active numbers, release numbers, buy a number, and more. So when you click on active numbers, you'd be able to see here all of the active numbers. So we have here inventory filters, configuration filters, and as you can see, this is our current active number. Okay, next one is to click on the messaging option. So this one right here. So we have an overview, we can try it out, and then we also have here the settings and more. So we just have to explore these things. And then the last one that we are going to discuss is to get the explore the products. To explore the products, just click on the explore products option right here, and you'd be able to see here the different products or the programmable communications that you can use. So we have here, the first one is the messaging. We have video. We also have chat, conversation, voice intelligence, and for the super network, we have phone numbers, elastic SIP, and more. So for this one, let us try the programmable communication for messaging. Okay, so when you click on one of these products, you just have to click on this one and you'd be directed to this page. And then what you're going to do here is to try with SMS or try with WhatsApp. Okay, so let us try this one for SMS. So when you scroll down after loading this page, you'd be able to see this section. So we have here the number of the recipient and the number of the sender. So right here we can choose a sender number. Okay, so we are going to use our trial phone number, and then you can type out your message right here. Then after that, you just have to click on send an SMS, and that message will be sent to the phone number that you have chose. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.